Dear students, welcome back once again. This is the 10th session of Human Resource Management, where we are going to discuss duties and responsibility of manager, that what type of duties are assigned to human resource manager, what are those responsibilities has been taken by human resource manager. We will discuss in this session. uh, uh, Obviously, I want to say here, this paper, that is human resource management paper, is a compulsory paper for 6th semester students, those who are studying Bachelor of Arts uh, under economics. Let us see one by one that how the duties are assigned to human resource manager. Now, let us discuss one by one. This is what in the first slide I given duties of human resource manager, and then in the second slide I quoted that is the responsibilities of human resource manager. Let us discuss one by one what are those duties of human resource manager. Number one, in regard to the duty of human resource manager, managing company staff, including coordinating and supporting the recruitment process, is first and foremost duty of human resource manager. In any company or in any organization, managing the staff is important. That too including and supporting, coordinating recruitment process, where there is a recruitment and then selection process is happening. There, you know that a little bit of worries to employee, to the people. Obviously, it is going to be happen in the mind of the people, in the mind of the employee. But at the same time, human resource manager must be act as a coordinator, and he must support to the recruitment process by managing the company staff. The second one is onboarding newcomers to the company. This is the huge task to the human resource manager, and then he must do as a duty that boarding to the newcomer to the company is not a joke. It means appointing the fresh candidate to the company is not a joke, because the fresher are not having any training, freshers are not having any manners of that company or that organization. They must need the training, but before that, human resource manager uh, act like a counselor, act like a what do you call source of help, particularly while appointing the newcomer to the company, and then boarding to the fresh candidates is a tough ask for the human resource manager. Next one is determining suitable salaries and remuneration. Human resource manager, after getting the interview of that employee, he is supposed to ask the CTC, that is the cost to company of that particular human resource, shall be asked by the human resource manager, that what type of salaries that they need, and then what type of remuneration they need. Obviously, they will ask, because if anything which will incur loss to the company, the human resource manager won't allow to do such things, because minimizing the cost and then maximizing the profit is a prime motto of an organization or of the company. So that's why human resource manager will determine suitable salaries and then remuneration. Next one is the duty of human resource manager is providing the necessary support system for payroll requirements. This is very important duty as far as the human resource manager is concerned, because he must facilitate it by having the support to make the payroll requirement, because nowadays we know that the payroll or draft payroll or we are getting the final payroll only through the HRMS. We know that the human resource managing system HRMS is there, and then we the people, those who are appointed in the government sector, or we may call it as a public sector, all the government sector getting payroll under HRMS, that we know that human resource management system, and then that too done by our office level administrative staff. This is one duty that which is necessary every month. Look upon the payroll requirement to the employee. Last one is developing adequate induction and then training. This is very important duty of human resource manager, because recruiting the fresh candidates and then onboarding to the newcomers to the company, they need, as I said earlier, that they need induction. Induction means a little bit of orientation to the employee, that what type of the nature, what type of scope, what type of attitude, behavior, thinking you must have in that company. That should be trained by human resource manager, which is purely developed by management, and then which is reached to the employee, or you may call it as the fresh candidate who appointed in that management. These are all the duties of human resource manager. Let's move on to the responsibilities of human resource manager. There are many responsibilities of a human resource manager are as follows. Number one, that I am not mentioned there in my slide, but I want to mention here, that is first and then foremost important responsibility is recruit candidates. Human resource needs to understand the organization needs and make sure those needs are met when recruiting for new position. And the next one is hire the right employee. And then the next one is process payroll. And then another one is conduct disciplinary action. This is what I want to mention here, that in private sector they are not having any such types of rules and regulation where that we are having in the government sector. We are having KCSR rules, that we know that Karnataka Civil Service regulations. According to that, we have to follow, and then there is a little bit of conduct is there, character is there. Everything matters in government sector. Update policies, which is one of the main responsibilities of human resource manager, because policies may wind up, policies may mold, or it is not valid in the future course of time, but human resource manager must update all these things. Maintain employee records, and then what you call conduct benefit analysis. He must always think upon an organization and then the company, that the cost benefit analysis is always calculated, because what type of cost he will incur in the company, and then what type of benefit or profit he will get in the company. The human resource manager always look upon all these issues. And then managing company staff, including coordinating and supporting the recruitment process, as I said earlier. Determining the suitable salaries and then remuneration. providing the necessary support for the system, that is very much important, and then managing succession planning of staff, assisting with the performance management of review process is all the responsibility of human resource manager. All these issues seriously concerned by human resource manager under his responsibility. He will look upon thoroughly what is going to be happen, or what is going on, or what is going to be happen in near future. He will analyze in detail, and then he must have that type of knowledge, because the human resource manager will always communicate with chief executive officer of that management. Uh, with this, I will stop here of the session 10, which is the duties and the responsibilities of human resource manager. Dear students, again I am mentioned references where I followed, collected all this material from these resources, and then made up of study material and then PPT. With this, I will stop here. Bye for now. Thank you. Thank you very much.